you ever listened to her new singles, and how did you like them compared to her other songs?
Her new singles, they're very different, but I do like 1989 better and Red.
I think they're very different from like her original stuff because like she obviously made the change from country to like pop, but they're also like even more different than like her previous stuff because like they're a lot more like they're like kind of darker.
I like her new singles, they're really good. I kind of like her new vibe because like she goes through like different like vibes, I guess, through like each time, and like her new one's kind of dark, so I don't know, I kind of like this new Taylor.
How do you feel about how she changed styles from going to country to pop?
I personally liked her country music significantly more than her pop music. Some of the pop is okay, but I definitely liked a lot of her country music better, and like I like the stuff she had in the Hunger Games.
I personally like how she changed styles from country to pop because it's not like something that happened overnight. The transition was going over the course of many albums, and I think that it was definitely bound to happen at one point. Just the labels from country to pop, I feel like people focus on too much and not the actual music itself.
Personally, I don't really care. She changed the music from country to pop because I don't listen to her music. I mean, I've heard it, and I don't really care either way.
Like that Taylor Swift changed from country to pop. I liked her 1989 album, but I think that this has gone a little too far for her.
I never listened to her country songs, so I mean I love her pop songs, so I guess I totally love her new person, but I feel like it's really unfair to call her a new person because like she's still the same Taylor Swift, but like I just like her new songs, you know, like everybody likes old Kanye and hates new Kanye. Why can't we accept new Taylor?
Do you think she should have stuck to her old music, or do you like how she has changed?
Well, I think that's good for her to change and do whatever she wants, but I wish she stuck to a little bit more of her old music.
Yeah, I thought it was more original.
Yeah.
Should have stuck to her old music because like it was just more. I feel like I like to listen to it more. Like some of her, like her last album was pretty good, but like there's just the two songs that she's released in like her newer one just haven't been as good as I like the other ones more.
I really like her old music. I feel like she should have stuck more with her roots, even if she did go into pop. But I like that she changed herself.
I personally like how Taylor Swift has changed from country to pop because I feel like there are certain limits to country music. You know, there are only so many awards you can win. She's kind of already won all of those awards already. And so I've liked how she's changed to pop because her audience is a lot bigger now. She's now selling out stadiums in like less than a minute. And so, and her music is the reason why she's selling out stadiums so quickly.